Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm showing you how to make one of my favorite alcoholic drinks, the classic Japanese lemon sour, but with a special color changing twist. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Jara and I love sharing my favorite recipes, crafts, and homemade products, all centered around fresh, healthy, and wholesome ingredients, many of which I grow right in my own garden, including these stunning Thai blue butterfly pea flowers that give my Japanese lemon sour a color changing effect. If you're interested in growing your own Thai blue butterfly pea, I've got guides on how to grow it over on my Jara's Garden YouTube channel. Plus, since I own a seed and plant nursery, you can purchase Thai blue butterfly pea seeds and sometimes plants directly from my website. I visited Japan earlier this year and was introduced to the Japanese lemon sour. I knew I had to learn how to make this drink once I got back home. I steeped a bunch of Thai blue butterfly pea flowers in the Japanese soju used to make this drink in order to impart a deep dark blue color. The color changes from blue to a violet pink when an acidic component is added. In this case, the lemon juice used to make this drink causes the color change. I think the drink turned out lovely, don't you? To make this drink, start by adding a handful of dried Thai blue butterfly pea flowers to a glass jar and pour 3 cups of soju over it. Let it steep for at least 4 hours or in the fridge overnight. The next day, make a simple syrup by mixing 1 cup of boiling water with 1 cup of white sugar or sugar substitute of your choice. I'm using allulose because it doesn't spike your blood sugar levels and it's a prebiotic. Set the simple syrup aside to cool down, then juice a bunch of lemons and set the juice aside. Now it's time to assemble the drink. Fill a highball glass with ice. Add the lemon juice, cooled down simple syrup, and lemon flavored club soda. You can use plain club soda as well. I really like to use a lemon flavored club soda to give it an extra lemon flavor. Then slowly pour in the blue shochu over the top, letting it drip slowly down a spoon. The color will change where the lemon juice comes in contact with the blue shochu. I like to serve it as is without mixing it all together so you can see the color effect. Then I mix it before drinking. This color-changing Japanese lemon sour is the perfect drink, linking my memories in Japan with my garden at home. You can find the link to this recipe with step-by-step instructions in the description below. Don't forget to also check out my gardening YouTube channel called Jara's Garden. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.